Looking for an AI tool that helps you write emails, ads, or marketing content in seconds? Taskify AI claims it can do just that, but is it legit? Let's dig in. Taskify AI presents itself as a productivity platform where you pick a template, enter basic info, and instantly get ready to use outputs like marketing copy, video script draft, or social media content. No complicated prompts needed. Security check services show that Taskify AI has a valid SSL certificate. A domain is registered for a few years and is flagged as likely to be legit. But there's a catch. People or company behind the site had ownership info, and website traffic seems relatively low, which means you should be cautious before trusting it with sensitive data or expecting perfect results. If you're just curious and want to try a quick AI writing helper, Taskify AI might be worth a shot, but don't treat it as a magic money maker. Always double check what you get and don't count on it as a guaranteed source of income or perfect content. Go ahead, try it out, but keep your expectations real.